What is up, YouTube? Today I'm going to start my first tutorial on Python programming language. In my opinion, if you want to start learning programming, I believe Python is the best language to start with. To understand the concept of programming, Python is where it's at. In this video, I'm going to show you how to quickly and simply install the Python interpreter to start programming in the Python language. So let's get to it. First thing we're going to go to is the Python website. Now, all you have to do is click on download. Download will give you the latest version of Python. You just click it. As you can see at the bottom, it's popping up. Already got it downloaded, so there you go. You just click run. Go through it. I already have 7.0, so it's asking me to upgrade. So I'm just going to go ahead and upgrade. Give it a couple seconds. A couple more seconds. A few more seconds. Okay, give it a minute. Okay, once it's finished, setup was successfully complete. All you have to do is push close. Now, to see if Python is on your system properly, all you have to do is go to the command prompt. It should be in C. So you just put and just put Python. And there you have it. You can check it out. 4 plus 4. And if everything goes well, it should calculate. And it calculated. And there you have it. Now you have Python on your system and you can ready start programming in Python. Let's go to scroll down to Python 3.7. And then you're going to go to the IDLE. Same thing as the command prompt, but this is the Python shell. So you can go ahead and run your program in the Python shell. So 4 times 4 is 16. There you have it. Python is now officially installed on your system. That quick, that simple, that easy. This is the first step to becoming a programmer in Python. Hope y'all enjoyed everything. And tune in next time for the installation of PyCharm and every other thing dealing with Python. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe and enjoy your day.